Modern anime fans are used to 12 or 24 episodes format for anime series, where if they are lucky, their favorite show might get a second or a third season. This wasn't the case a few decades ago, where anime kept on airing episodes after episodes, which is evidenced by series like Naruto and Dragon Ball. However, while the series ended, despite their high number of filler episodes, there are animes like One Piece that are still airing to this date. In reality, there are animes much older than One Piece that have been airing their episodes for as long as nearly half a century. So in this video, we are taking a look at the top 10 longest running anime series that never got to finish their story. So without any further ado, let's start with our list. On the 10th number, the anime name is Delix Daio. This 2019 slice of life ONA is perhaps the only show on this list that belongs to the post-2000 anime era. The reason it's been able to accumulate so many episodes within a short span of time is that each episode is only 2 minutes long. This anime can be said to be a remake of the original show with the same name. This story is fairly basic, where it follows the day-to-day life of a man named Kamoyama, who ends up working as a sales department Z's manager for Selfish. On the 9th number, the anime name is One Piece. Monkey D. Luffy is a goofy teenage boy who also happens to be a pirate, but an unconventional one. He does not loop places or conquer people. He is pirate because he loves going on adventure and meeting new peoples. Of course, much like any other pirates out there, Luffy has his eyes on the ultimate prize called as One Piece, fortune and riches that are said to be limitless in their amount. Not to mention, whoever gets the One Piece first also get the converted title of the Pirate King. Till now, One Piece has aired almost 950 plus episodes. On the 8th number, the anime name is Detective Conan or Case Closed. This anime has aired more than 1000 episodes till now. 7-year-old Shinichi Kudo first made his appearance on television on the 8th of January in 1996, where he was caught by criminals and given an experimental drug. When he opened his eyes again, he was shocked to learn that he had the body of a 7-year-old boy. Undeterred, he used his resources and intellect to build a new identity for himself and used a new life to solve varying criminal cases, including finding an antidote to this mysterious condition he was suffering from. On the 7th number, the anime name is Crayon Shinchan. This anime has aired more than 1000 episodes. Shinosuke Nohara, more popular known as Shinchan, is a 5-year-old boy that lives a quite an extraordinary life. Right from the sumo wrestling in the name of love to forgetting commitments he made to his friend, Shinchan has done it all. This slice of life anime's plot and stories are pretty episodic in nature, and it always focuses on the adventure of this naughty young boy, along with other people in his life, including his friends, school teachers, and even college girls. On the 6th number, the anime name is Doraemon. Doraemon has aired more than 1100 episodes. This is one name that even non-anime fans would recognize. Such is the popularity of Doraemon. Its story revolves around a blue cat robot that is from the future, that warns Nobita Nobi of his future generation's imminent doom. So together, the duo sends out to make things right for Nobita's future generation. To Doraemon's dismay, Nobita is the laziest and dumbest boy in his school. It seems that not even Doraemon's gadget from the future can help Nobita become a better version of himself. On the 5th number, the anime name is Little Miss Maruko, which has aired more than 1200 episodes. The anime's first episode aired in 1992 and it was picked up again in 1995. It details the life of an otaku girl named Momoko Sakura, who earns the nickname Chibi, meaning small or little, due to her short height. She has her hands full with not only everything she has to deal with in her school, like her weird friends, her strict teachers, a student committee group and whatnot, but also all the drama she has to deal with at home as well. On the 4th number, the anime name is Soreike Ampa Man. This anime has aired more than 1500 episodes. Ampa Man is a very unique superhero because he was created when the Star of Life caused an Ampa, a Japanese dish, to come to life. Not only does Ampa Man fight evil and keeps criminal at bay, but he also helps feed poor and hungry people whenever he comes across them. This is a light-hearted slice of life anime that boasts quite a wide number of characters, and fans who are interested in enjoying something casual, fun and laid back, this anime is highly recommended. On the 3rd number, the anime name is Ojarumaru, which has aired more than 1800 episodes. This children's show takes place at 1000 years ago, during the Heian era. where Ojarumaru finds a powerful magic object that is transported to modern day Japan. Shocked and confused, Ojarumaru is immediately befriended by a sweet boy named Kazuma. Thanks to him, Ojarumaru is able to learn a lot of this new and fascinating world. And slowly but steadily, he is also able to make some great friends along the way. On the second number, the anime name is Nintama Rantaro. I think you might have heard about this anime because it used to run on Indian television. This anime has aired more than 2200 episodes. Rantaro is a young ninja who is always accompanied by his two in-training ninja friends, Shibe and Kirimaru. Shibe is the chubby boy who's butt of all jokes. And Kirimaru is a young boy who's obsessed with the sound of money. When the boys are together, they do anything and everything except what they are supposed to do. Trained to become strong ninja. They always get themselves involved in some awkward situations or the other, after which they spend the rest of their time trying to get out of that sad sticky situation without getting hurt. So on the first number, the anime name is Mrs. Sazai. This anime has aired more than 7,000 episodes, with its final episode aired way back in 1969. It's no surprise that this show has managed to air such a massive number of episodes. In fact, it's earned itself a place in the Guinness World Record for being the longest running anime ever. The story revolves around a married lady who is only recognized as Mrs. Sazai and is essentially the anime version of a typical Japanese family program. This anime is all about Mrs. Sazai's life and is a type of an anime one can watch easily with their entire family. So that was about the video, guys. These were the top 10 longest running anime series of all time. Out of this top 10 list, about how many anime series you have heard about. Let me know those things in the comment section down below, and also let me know which is your favorite anime out of this top 10 list. And also don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.